Exciting changes have come to SSI solutions in this latest release, including more features from the Nexus Community Wishlist, updates to change management control, and improvements to work shared teams. Let's take a tour and see what's new in SSI 2022. The SSI 2022 release includes feature updates that allow for enhanced control and management of your ShipConstructor project at every stage of the design process. Our focus at SSI is to provide our users with solutions directly related to the projects and challenges they face while modeling in real time. Your suggestions and requests made using the SSI Nexus Wishlist inspire many of our release feature initiatives. In this release, these include improved efficiency and user experience with the ability to collapse and expand tree lists from within the product hierarchy assembly selection palette. For those who work on multiple projects, we now provide the option to display and toggle the project or database name in the AutoCAD title bar, and the ability to add keywords as user-defined attributes within production drawings. Change management control is another area currently under development, and features such as providing locking controls for project elements and enhancing compartmentalization controls are a multi-release initiative. These include updates to the user interface, drawing and part locking features, and the ability to allow volumes to be supported for use within the Object Property Manager. The drawing locking feature now locks all parts within drawings and now extends to connected parts, including connected parts in other drawings, which are then also locked, structure components associated with penetrations, and the UDA values of locked parts within the drawing. In addition, the Object Property Manager and UDA assignment editors now display the locked part information. Large, shared projects require often equally large product hierarchies, which are now supported by work-share teams. Now, as with similar operations, remote servers can now balance network loads for this resource-intensive task, increasing system-wide efficiencies. In response to one of the most popular Nexus wishlist items, with a valid subscription to the Advantage Pack, user-defined attributes can now be used as keywords as strings, string list, numeric, and numeric list UDA types in production drawings. These drawing keywords can be inserted and updated on a per-drawing basis or using a drawing template, allowing for keyword updates to be applied to all similar drawings, saving huge amounts of time and rework. The ShipConstructor Object Property Manager now supports the compartment property, allowing users to view what parts are within a specific volume for supported object types. The SSI desktop app is now included with the standard ShipConstructor installation and includes the ability to minimize the app to the taskbar tray, as well as the option to open the desktop app during startup. The desktop app provides end users and project managers alike the ability to quickly and easily generate accurate support requests that include project and system information required to provide users with timely and effective resolutions, and is available now without requiring a separate download. And finally, as an Autodesk partner, SSI coordinates each major release to coincide with Autodesk platform updates. SSI 2022 now supports Windows Server 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2022 versions of AutoCAD, AutoCAD Mechanical, AutoCAD Plant 3D, Navisworks Manage and Navisworks Simulate, and provides a leading-edge platform to keep pace with industry standards. Find out more about these and all available ShipConstructor tools by visiting SSI Nexus today.